Hi team, welcome to the HTML tutorial. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a markup language used to structure content on the web. It consists of a set of elements or tags that define the different parts of a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. These elements are enclosed in angle brackets and are used to tell the web browser how to display the content. Basic syntax. HTML, head and body are the basic tags of HTML. We will discuss more about tags in our upcoming videos. This tutorial covers HTML document structure, common elements, attributes, forms, semantic HTML, HTML5, and best practices, giving you the skills to create web pages and lay the groundwork for advanced development. We have developed Playground, using which you can write the code online and see the output. Please visit additionalsheet.com/playground for the online editor. Thank you and all the best.